Yes, good afternoon at follows Blumilong Audition episodes where me come through Lahem. Today again, once again, me happy for me come serum some for la thinking me as a conscious citizen. And one way baba me talk Lahem today now, long inside long this fala house here parliament. So parliament house here have one fala highest house belong country. And him now also him lalas house below me where him got him people him should put him a respect law him. Me just like talk also no more during time long ba debate long parliament where him finish good enough to extend in niya. Some of the leaders bring me. Kaya mo to talk inside long parliament ya him also house block ta sila now. Oto no so respect him other leaders lo talk. So him na me like ask him you speaker of parliament. Was we inside lo house ya you no put him some rules or guidelines we sabe kasi wala sabe for follow. Like for example now code of dressing. Lo dia money wear ordinary kala ko have to go inside because any house probably in the country now where you must respect him. You must wear him dress where him bar to put him for him now. So him now me like for tell him also how now long the languages where you will using inside. You will not get him several place where you will stop him. For example, you will talk to go several language and go inside where him no straight. Also meaningless normal of the talk away. Him just like for take him kind talk when me wala of the leaders me wala outside wala herem go also him nonsense. Talk wala also him no must make sense long of the story way wala tell him. So him na also is a conscious citizen. Me barva thinking heavy too much law this one. And in fact inside long story long during that time some of the man of the put him come directly attack me too long inside the social media where say how na conscious citizen him no sa talk come lo this wala issue yan what barata mi also me no like talk because of the talk where by me tell him come talk where the tell him ya him bar him no talk also leader also respect na him no more. But no more in respect now long with leaders. Especially now long you good Prime Minister Blomi Matiwal. How you address him side long opposition niya? Man, you bar talk blue him good but how you appear for tell him what something niya? Ni holo malita time we hol herem so man we him garam wisdom and culture. Ting lo mind blue him talk blue ya him bar you bar spoil him of the people lo malita ya. Also him no make sense long thinking as a leader. As a leader, you must respect him now. Me long thinking where me like come out with him today as a conscious citizen. Me also you talk, you bar, tell him out everything where you should respect him other leaders. Example now the opposition will like I give Timogate. Talk about him 10 years worth inside. My good Prime Minister. You 4 months no more inside law office, yeah. Like blue him no dry. Talk blue him big 2 months, no anything you do it. No anything it. Me no look him. You talk about him selling where you to a Minister of Finance, you to a stop him about the exemptions, yeah. But him come back, you will sell no back, kay Kim, yeah. For example now, long or the political appointees 58 wala way take him ya bar too much and salary blow people ya him inside the super scale ya so of the selling ni come by him go back lot something ya no more and of the unnecessary trips where you have doing ya him na ba selling talk about him ba kay came back ya so him now time you talk you must luguti with the people opposition side where you talk about him okay now lagi belum kata him dra inside the country you are 19 years you sing out lo wilderness no more no anything lo you so please my good Prime Minister time you try using thinking where you lo there you so proud yeah long place where you see down lo hem ya. Go we talk about him chair you see down lo hem. You just come inside 4 months no more, but you go proud now. Lo tok blue how tok lo ta man ya. Man, go tell him look lo mira. Man, look lo mira. For meeting you na you should look lo mira ya. 19 years you step inside lo parliament ya. Long au kelangalangang. Man example no mo you looking long listen away come inside ya no and change no bar or face mo city capital city blue ni Malaysia na ya no and tingin no mo. So you should same now lo kind to also. You tell him lo the leaders blue me you all should same. What kind to also. Inside lo house ya please. You will try to control him, Mr. Speaker. Suppose look blow me as a conscious citizen, you know neutral. You know neutral. You one side there. So suppose him no fit for you for you self control him kind of same. Him no fit him you for you do mo kata pahat blue for you start him house here. Please you go down from chair became somebody where him sabe neutral himself see down lo there because house here na me like him respect lo him. Or the one way you talk about him, my good prime minister, I'm all right, but how you address him lo to Burubiana, you bar or you slap lo face. So as a Malaysian, me bar sorry, lo how you approach him of the other leaders. You know attitude blow me of the leaders lo Malaysian now that one. You know attitude blow me some follow you wala inside lo the leaders blow me lo parliament because you wala no grown full inside lo families blow wala ya. That's why you wala no garim proper cultural or teaching for respecting of the people. I'm not that's why time you will talk, you will also respect of the people. So as a conscious citizen and as a one fella chief, me barva no happy now. Lo kind toko where you will the leaders belum vala lo parliament, you will give him go. You will time you will talk about him something where you will like talk about him. You will pinpoint him man for what ya. Same place you see down him no more, him too him come to him ya. Same people, all the garim people what vote him, you garim what people what vote him. So lo today me like him now. House ya me like him you will so respecting each other. Lo look blow me how you will talk with lo government and opposition. But you will no work together until house ya him complete ya. This wala term ya. Term blouse him complete. How people work together now because lo attitudes blue will of the leaders. You will so also smart too much for toko and something you will talk spoil each other no you will manong way. Him na that's why also but no matter you tell him any kind toko where him take money you will see that inside the house yan. Buying things politics now you will make him then you will good behind man to be him no more. So also on behalf long Mival or the conscious citizens and especially Mival Malaysia. Sorry, Mival sad long opposition where manya him di mo ta kain toko ya. Also ino attitude blow Mival Malaysia for to spoil them of people also. No ma. Him attitude blow him selepa. So him na also on behalf lo Mival Bahara. So sorry lo what na him Italian because lo hand blue wal na Malaysia have kasim this time ya. No anything will handle niya. Tao niya, handle wala ito group opposition niya. No anything will handle yung government niya iti. For make money him toko bigi too much. Instead of 2 years or 3 years him stop ya. Bye heart when doing anything with him talk about him ya. Because 2-3 promises where him talk about him fail. Him not give him yet or something with him promise him. So for me as a conscious citizen, me just like to ask him honorable Lumi Prime Minister. No more. Also, me humble him himself. Try humble. Place ya, bye in a place full of blood ya. A place where bye out of ultimate na by go inside. So at any time no more you shall go out from CIA no more ya. So time you talk respectable. You talk where no good bye out ultimate at any time no more. Then same way you tell him kata him discussing you him more along no thinking gloomy is a content. So him now also me like to appeal no more of the people and especially of the man we will comment inside log at the issues here. You will not direct him too much of the comments where me will try for talk about him what not thinking below me will of the conscious citizens here. Me will not talk about him ting boleh wala man way you wala go for take gain or whatever government by him give him wala for you wala talk spoil him wala. Me no worry main thing no. Me just talk as me as a conscious citizen where one him na mi talem him now one him where me wala people are down where me wala think about him yeah. And you know something for you me rawal him inside the social media. So suppose you like for answer me, please you come long productive way. You answer me, you toko make him me must have what now system long government niya. So him no more also when me like for talk about him, him no more also when him think below me. No respect no more also me like come to Muslim. Me no like talk about him anything lo politics or whatever. Attitude level of the leaders now me ba like come to Muslim him. That respect him one for good something where country him ba see down lo him. You no respect him anyone. One him by talk about him by him no sa fulfill na. Any program or any plan where you talk about him for you tell him out whereby you do him. But since you no respect him or the leaders below you or me or you no respect him people long how you put him things lo talk below by no anything happen. So as a conscious citizen and as a man when me sabe talk out too much long of the issues inside the social media too. Me barava also me like what tell him no more little bit think below me no more also lo one him happen go lo last week yeah. That me like him all of the leaders try change him attitude believe wala lo toko believe wala you will try minimum hunay will toko him whole country even outside the wall of the heremi wala him no something we will take him lo personal raw believe wala then will put him inside lo there. So him now is a conscious citizen me like him now for you me must work together and talk together help each other and at least my good Prime Minister, supposed to humble enough, call him opposition, evil dream, and reconciliation. Because kain to ko tell me, bye heart we will work together. Only we will reconcile no more. Meeting bye only one for possible way, where bye him have a dream, and think we will go forward for 2 years when stop here. Tapos no more country by me not take him any achieving any good thing lo 2 years here no more. So ko him bigi but bye no anything happen because lo attitudes believe well of the leaders. Him no more thinking where me garem and me like him. Anyone way comment them, you must comment changeable, you know, can talk all about and something because time you follow mo the episode yeah, bye you looking what now, me will try for put him come inside yeah. Man way you like for fight him no more with herem you no more you like for talk all about come inside lot social media and everything for answer me pal. So as a conscious citizen once again me bar thank you too much and me bar Thank you too much long one na mitalem and location play wala. Thank you too much and bye for now.